be big and scary, but I still think it's kind of cute. Beating up bad guys and riding rainbow ponies? Best day ever! Aw, come on, scary monster. Don't be such a big meanie head. I know I shouldn't just borrow a car.
Oh, yeah, I know. That must be great. It must be a big surprise just for you. It must be a big surprise just for you. Oh, come on. It must be so big and helpful, you know. It must be very big surprise just for you.
You did okay for a sea critter. That plum took all the fire out of me. I'm going home for a nap. Why don't you drop on by my tree dome and pay a visit, okay? Okay, now listen up, because I'm going to remind you how this all works. We've got a short amount of time to bust up all this junk in your yard.
But who is in the world? Well, did you know I have my favorite because I have the 43 on honor? Well, did you know there's my judge honor? You know, my sensitive formula. Now, you just pop name Scooby-Doo. So that is what I call the same thing again. Now, that's my bicycle. You can ride a bicycle too. You know, you can go to like the jailhouse. The jailhouse? Wow, I'm so exciting. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, I can't believe it. Wow, that must be pretty interesting. So, even my secret parts, because I am walking in my favorite condition. Well, except 53 years later, you know, 43 years ago.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun.